On a previous video, we did hot belts in a minute. It was a simple, quick little video that shows how I can take a belt off in like 2 seconds. Unfortunately, we didn't explain it a whole lot or go through it in depth, so today I'm going to show you. On the older sleds, they all have a helix with a torsion spring. What I was doing in the video that you can't see was I will twist the inside sheave backwards, push down on the belt. That opens the secondary, loosens the belt, and then you just slide it off. All the older sleds will do this because the torsion spring is not that big. I mean, you can do it right up into an 01 RMK 800. I can do it on all those. I mean, some might be a little stickier than the others, but they all can be done. So even on the older skidoos, they can be done. Until you get up in the years where the compression spring is in with the roller helixes, it gets quite a bit harder. That's why they have the tool for it. But as you can see in this new video, it doesn't take much at all. Just remember, push down on the belt, twist the inside sheave backwards. So you're pushing on the sled as the sled's sitting on the ground. Pushing on the inside sheave backwards, pushing on the belt down. Lock your brake. One hand on the inner sheave, one hand down on the belt. Push down on the belt, spin the inner sheave backwards. Pull the belt, off it comes. That simple. Put it back on. Do the exact same thing. One hand on the inner sheave. Put your belt on the top, push down on it, spin it backwards. Belt goes on, just like that. That should come off. Give it a try. Put your comments below, let me know how you did. I would like to hear from you.